Hazrat Mughira bin Shoba radiyallahu anhu says, one night during a journey I was along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you have any water? I replied in the positive. So he dismounted and proceeded until he went out of my sight in the darkness of the night. Later, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned, I helped him performing ablution by pouring water from the vessel. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his face and both hands, while he was wearing a woolen robe then, and he could not take his forearms out of that. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam took them out underneath the robe and then washed the forearms and passed wet hand over his head. I then stooped down to remove his leather socks, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, leave them, for when I wore them they were clean. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed wet hand over them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5799.